Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Forte EX. Now we don't really see a lot of these. This isn't the top of the line, so to say. That goes, of course, to the GT. However, for the normal Forte, this is the creme de la creme. Snow white pearl over black with a total price of $24,505. This one here features the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, non-turbo, naturally aspirated, with the IVT, Intelligent Variable Transmission, Kia's version of the CVT. The EX includes leather seats and a lot of nice upgrades that are very, very welcome. Now, when you look at the interior of this car, I think it's an absolute bargain at $24,000. Sirius XM, leather wrapped dash. Well, it's plastic, but it looks leather wrapped. Take a look at that 2.0. Not bad at all. Step on into the interior. You can see very, very nice in here. Heated and cooled seats. For $24,000, this is awesome. Of course, this competes with the infamous Toyota Corolla, one of the best-selling cars in the world. And honestly, it might just be the bargain you need to switch over to Kia. Manual e-brake, versing camera, got drive, sport, and you also have different drive modes, which include smart, normal, and then sport. But without further ado, let's go ahead, take this thing out on the road. Now, I just spent a week in the Corolla, off and on. I technically was driving a Prius all week. Yay. So I can definitely speak on how this compares to the Corolla, seeing how I drove a Prius and a Corolla while I was on vacation, kind of equal time in both. Just everything seems a little bit nicer in here. And just overall, it's a bargain for the price. I just like these better. Especially this CVT is better than the Toyotas. This is a much better transmission, in my opinion, to the Toyotas. Toyota, same thing with the motor too. This motor feels like it has a bit more power, and you really don't have to sit there and dig for the power. It's just there. It has a nice throaty sound to it too. It's actually really impressive. You know, it's just nice to have a car like this. I daily drive a Challenger TA 392 with just a ton of power. And sometimes it's nice to kind of drive a car like this around. We really don't have to worry about anything. You know, I don't feel like I'm gonna scrape. Mine's a manual, so I don't have to deal with, you know, using the clutch or anything like that. This is just nice. It's just a nice experience overall. A little bit of a firmer ride, but that's due to the bigger tires. So if you go with a bigger rim, I should say, if you go with a smaller rim, it's going to be a little bit better. I try not to do just full throttle accelerations because, let's be honest here, unless you buy a car to go flat out, which some people do, you're not gonna be using full throttle all the time. So by varying up the throttle inputs, it just makes it a little bit more all-inclusive, I should say, where I include just every bit of driving, every type. Also, it's not good to just sit here and beat on a brand new car. Just my opinion, because some people think differently than me. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.